Hello, topic 8, amazing animals, úžasné zvířata. So we'll look at two videos about gorillas and elephants. Where do they live? Okay, we will see in the videos, uvidíme. Okay, now we've got some animals here, some silhouettes. So what is a leopard? Leopard, yeah, leopard. A tiger, so leopard is number 5, and a tiger is number 8. And a rhino is number 10, this is a rhino. A monkey is number 3, and a hippo is number 11, it's a dangerous hippo. A kangaroo from Australia is number 2, there's a kangaroo, and a penguin is number 1. A horse, where's a horse? Number 7. A giraffe has a long neck. Number 12, an elephant, big elephant, and there's number 4, camel. Where is the camel? It's number 9, and a lion is number 6. Okay, so animals. Guess the animal. What's the animal? Can you guess? It is a leopard. Okay, leopard. Okay, so I can swim fast, umím rychle plavat, and jump out of the water. I eat fish. What am I? Do you know? Co jsem? I'm a dolphin. I've got 8 legs and I eat flies. Mouchy, jí mouchy. I have got 8 legs, 8 nohou. So I am, what am I? I am a spider. I'm friendly and I can do tricks. Jsem přátelský a umím dělat triky. So I have got 4 legs and a tail. A ocas. What am I? Co jsem? I'm a dog. Okay. For questions. Pak máme 4 otázky. So what is the most popular pet in your country? Co je nejpopulárnější domácí mazlíček in your country? Ve vašem země. The most popular pet is, what do you think? Maybe a cat or a dog. How many times have you been to the zoo? How many times, kolikrát, have you been, dosud byl, to the zoo? Jakoby v zoo. I have been, byl jsem tam, maybe 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, kolikrát. Číslo tam přidáme. What animals did you see? Jaký zvířata jsme viděli? What animals did you see? I saw, see je vidět a saw je viděl. Já jsem viděl, I saw some elephants, giraffes, okay? Penguins a tak dále. So, next question. If you could be an animal, what animal would you be? Zkuste zopakovat. If you could be an animal, pokud byste mohli být jakoby zvířatem, what animal would you be? Jaký zvíře byste byli? I would be třeba a giraffe. Have a good view. Very tall, dlouhý, vysoký giraffe, maybe. Okay, so that's it. We'll play Kahoot and see you soon. Bye-bye.